Patio season is here and we are featuring just that. Welcome to Art Deco's another video. We are here at the patio that we are going to transform. It's very empty from each corner, as you guys all can see, dusty, and the only thing that they have in here is the barbecue. And we will show you how we transform this space. Now the place is cleaned up, the place looks so much brighter. What we're going to do now is decorate the space. What we have here is a canopy. We are going to use the skeleton, but we are not going to use the fabric part of it. That way we don't have to put wood in here and screw anything onto the walls. So in here, Rian is just raising the canopy. This is the second to the last part. And this is the last part.
Canopy is now up. The next thing we'll be doing is install these lights. We used zip ties to secure the lights in our alternative pergola. And we crisscross the lights that has the most exposure to create privacy for our client. Now the wires are ready. The next thing that we'll be doing is to install all these bulbs. Let's do it.
So this is how it looks now. In a few seconds now, watch how we turn this space with some full Art Deco magic. Lighting is everything. In here, we just showed you why. Can you imagine your patio without outdoor lights? It sure wouldn't be the same. Here is how it looks on daytime. Of course, patio season wouldn't be complete without food and drinks. We had a designated table for all of them. We have the faux candles in the center of the table to create a more romantic and cozy vibe. We had the citronella candles on each side of the table, that way we keep away all the mosquitoes in the space. Do you need your patio revived? Give us a call at 780-707-4834 for any details.